Woke up with the tide rolling in.
Hello guys, today we are going to go to Vagator beach. So let's go and explore.
Calling out my name, ready to jump into the frame. Oh, this is the life. Feel the heat, got the sand beneath my feet, chasing the sun. We're on the run, living it up till the day's done. Yeah.
Hello guys, this is Shiva Salgaonkar and welcome to my channel Vibing Wonderland. Everyone thinks all the beaches are the same in Goa, but this one is different.
Every wave just washes away all the worries of yesterday. Oh, this is the life. Feel the heat, got the sand beneath our feet, chasing the sun. We're on the run, living it up till the day's done. Every wave just washes away all the worries of yesterday.
Actually, Vagator can be seen as a beach with two different sides. To the north lies the more peaceful, calm beach without any shacks, and the south side is more bustling with shacks and clubs. To the south side, you'll also find Lord Shiva statue carved by an Italian sculptor.
Every wave just washes away all the
On top of that hill is the iconic Shapara Fort. So let's go there. So we have reached, and the thing is the parking car, they have taken 100 rupees for parking over here, and the timings are from 10 to 5 p.m. and it's quite crowded right now. Yeah, because then you cannot get a sunrise and a sunset over here, and so that's the only option you have to come in. Let's see how it is. So I have my cap on so that, yeah, so let's go. So I've reached on top, and what an amazing view. Look at the view, it's very beautiful. And there is a small hill kind of thing over there where you can hike and go. Yeah, it's very peaceful out here. This structure, locals say this is a well which is covered up, but there is no definite answer to this, what it is. If you all know what it is, please comment. यहाँ पे दिल चाहता है कि शूटिंग हुई थी, and it's a nice place, but I think it's under renovation, and it was neglected for a little time, but I think they are working on it. The Goa Tourism is working on it. Or I hope it comes back to its glory. Please carry a bottle of water with you because यहाँ पे धूप बहुत है and the timings are also odd. They open at 10 and close at 5, so you know face this hit over here. Hi, I'm come to this nice, beautiful cafe in Vagator. The name is Backers, and it is a very nice, cozy cafe. And I've ordered some watermelon pepper lemonade and pizza, which I've already finished. And actually, they have a lot of options. They have burgers and a lot of stuff. You can come and check out. So it's a nice option, and this cafe is open all the week around. And the timings are from 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, if anybody wants to have something late or anything, they can definitely come here. So overall, it's a nice cafe.
And if you want to have authentic Goan food, you can go to Anand Bar and Restaurant, which is close to Vagator. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, it is just my genuine review. And wow, the sunset was so beautiful from here. This is something I think you should not miss if you are in Goa, because the sunset from Vagator is having a separate vibe. अगर आपको कौन सी चीज़ पसंद आती है तो आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं ना. तो सिमिलरली मुझे लगता है कि इट्स अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड. प्लीज़ रिस्पेक्ट नेचर एंड कीप गोवा क्लीन. थैंक यू.